All right, y'all. So look, right, we back with another video. This time we got another gaming computer just came in with the same issue as the last one. So we're going to run through the same steps, see if it works out for this one. Now, I will give y'all a little disclaimer. This is an older computer. This ain't something somebody just bought like the last one. So it might not be this simple. They could have burned out a motherboard. They could have burned out a CPU, RAM, power supply, anything could be burnt out. But we're going to turn this joint on. We're going to see what it do. As y'all can see, this joint is on. But if you look at my screen, there's nothing on the screen. So, like I said, first thing I noticed was there's no graphic card. So what we're going to do first is install a graphics card. See if the onboard video has gone out. So that's the first thing we're going to do. So let's take off these screws. Get that off. Let's turn this joker off. Yeah, this did take power. I'm gonna try this first. Alright, so we got graphic card installed. We're gonna give it a shot, see what happens. We got the TV on. Graphic card is spinning. Still nothing on the screw. It's naive. We bought a Reseat RAM. We're gonna do some things. We're gonna figure this out though. So what we have here is some DDR4 16 gigabyte chip. So let's take it out. Very dusty PC. So RAM is added. Go back in with no graphic card and power. Let's see what we get now. Still no love, nothing at all. Alright, so like I said, might not be as simple as the last one. Might require a little more TLC. To the side if we can. Probably could use some thermal paste for sure. Definitely can use some thermal paste on the CPU chip. So we might get this cleaned off. Get this chip cleaned off. Put that old thermal paste on here. Take that out. Clean that off. Clean off the CPU cooling unit. And so got this cleaned off. AMD Ryzen 7 5700G is the chip. Put this back in. Apply some fresh thermal. Yep. Got it. Oh, cool. I got action. Look like we got the PC up and running. Let's see, Gucci. Yes, sir. So it looked like cleaning that thermal place off, putting that CPU back on, got its joint back cracking. So what we're gonna do is shut it down. We're gonna test it a couple times and see where we go from there.